Okay, let's go again. 15 minutes. Okay, Ludsteck. So C3 Sicilian, huh? I'll play E6 here. Alright, does it matter about bishop d5 at the moment? Not sure it does. Possibly it's starting to matter. Could play knight b6, I suppose. I think c4, I've seen that before. To play en passant if d4. That will fracture white's pawns a little bit. Actually, isn't this in the first game of the Rybka-Houdini match? Houdini's playing black and I think played quick g5, some sort of position like that. Maybe a quick g5 here is okay. If takes, I'm on I think g5 here. Try and win e5, g4, knight e5. Probably a bit dangerous. g4, bc, g4, and knight d4, knight e5. Is that too risky? So e5 is a bit, I don't know. Right, he doesn't really want CD, does he? CD there looks a bit grim. Those double pawns. And let's pull this one. Playing something like knight d5 or queen c7 first. Takes first. That's a-file pressure. At d5, just trying to support that pawn. d5. Ed queen d6 or bishop d6. Frees up my game a bit, I think. This is d5. Oh. This bishop's bad, so I think I'm going to play that. Yep. So if I can get bishop d7 and castle queen side. Actually, I'm on d4 anyway. Doesn't look too bad at the moment. Although knight b5, is that dangerous? I want to play bishop d7. At least this bishop's got a bit of scope. Play bishop d7. Right. And there's going to be bishop a4 if I'm not careful. So queen c6. And queen c6 is takes queen c4. That's looking a little bit dangerous. I get done over, aren't I? Oh dear. I've got to keep a knight on a4. Otherwise bishop a4. So bishop e6 now to try and evict the knight. My knight's protecting that, so AB, I'm protecting that. Is the knight going to retreat here? I hope it does. Oh dear. Queen d7 then? Big trouble. Looking precarious. Well, just king f8 trying to get out of this situation a little bit. Maybe f5 then is possible without bishop d5. Oh, blimey, forcing. I didn't see that at all. I'm missing moves. I think I'm in trouble. Okay, I'll go for d4. d4 pressure. He's going to let me take d4. This diagonal's a bit weak. Right, if I play e5 here, and he's got d4, it's starting to look a bit pear-shaped. Ah, knight takes an f5. Bishop c5 to d4 if I get a chance. Bishop d6 to c5 now. Alright, what about knight takes, and then e takes and then bishop f6? Is that a shot? That's queen d4 there. Looking pretty grim. f5, rook e5, bishop f6. If takes queen d4, not rook g8, probably that's best. Looking bad. Queen f5. It's looking crunch time. Okay, I think I better stop so I'm getting too murdered. Feeling a bit knackered actually. So d6 is clearly, or rook e1, it's hopeless. It's diabolical. Resign. Oh, that's a bit of a crush. I think time to pause, rest. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.